You're watching WMAR 2 News.
Several states have dropped mask mandates in schools, and Governor Hogan wants to be the next state on that list. Thursday, he called on the State Board of Ed to drop the statewide mask policy. He says those improved state coronavirus metrics that we're seeing support the dropping of the mask requirement. Now, while he says a growing number of medical professionals agree with him, one school expert with Johns Hopkins says the move would mean that some fallback options would need to be in place.
There should be some clear metrics about the masking because we don't know if we will need to return to the masks, for example. So I think it would be really important for us to try to establish some benchmarks.
Now, she adds governments also need to get on the same page when it comes to masks. And for example, she emphasized the federal government is still encouraging people to wear masks in indoor public spaces. Now, the State Board of Education also responded to the governor. In a statement, the board said they are watching with optimism as COVID metrics get better, as their goal has been and continues to be to provide safe in-person education for children and staff. And WMAR 2 News spoke to a representative from Johns Hopkins Center for Safe and Healthy Schools. Deputy Director Annette Anderson says parents should be leery of switching up COVID protocols for our younger kids.
And we saw what happened last summer, for example, when the CDC said, okay, everyone can unmask because so many people have been vaccinated, and we saw that that was a mistake.
In the state of Maryland, kids under the age of 10 account for roughly 90,000 COVID-19 infections. And since the start of the pandemic, 5 children have died because of the virus. The FDA is currently working to advance approval of Pfizer's vaccine for our children 5 years and younger.
And now from WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Now we're tracking an unseasonably warm end to the work week. Numbers in the morning, going to be a little chilly, so you'll still need some sleeves in that night's jacket. But we get better territory as we head into the afternoon, getting into the mid to upper 50s. We actually expect our daytime highs to crest in the low 60s for us here in the city of Baltimore. Same for Columbia, a little bit cooler in Annapolis, upper 50s across most of the northern half of the state. And we're hanging out in the 60s through Saturday, but a cold front going to drop those numbers just in time for Super Bowl Sunday. Early morning snow showers look likely, with cold numbers lingering through Monday.
All right, Patrick, click with us online at WMAR2news.com for updates on top stories and breaking news. Also for news and weather while you're on the go, download the WMAR 2 News app in the App Store. Thanks for watching. I'm Jamie Costello.